Alright, so I'm doing a car wash series on why so many car washes fail. And we're going to start out here with one of the fragrance vac pedestals. I mean, this place is just, the trash is full. There's duct tape on the hoses. Half the machines don't even work. This place has probably been open maybe a year or two. Their lock system, security screws. This is the interesting thing. When I first pulled up, this is a 2+2, 2 autos, 2 self-serves. And as I first pulled up, I noticed this. This is awesome. That's great. You can tell it's been broken into several times. Half locks. I mean, everything just like beat up. Junk. Trash full. This looks like a decent newer vacuum. But of course it's the same situation. Had dollar bill acceptors on. Trash all over the floor. Now this is what not to do in a car wash. This is one of their self-serve bays. And I don't think this thing's been washed out ever. Dirt, grime, leaves. And I'm guessing it's broken. It's just not taken care of. I actually tried to see if there was a number, customer service number or something here, and there's not. I don't know how many times. This is another self-serve bay. This only has a wand and a tri-foam. The brush was broken off at some point and it looks like they just left it. Man, I mean, why would anybody want to use this wash? So we're gonna go into the first auto bay, which as you can see, CDs, bags, trash. This is a Wash World Razor. I've never worked on one of those, but I mean, it just seems it's kind of clean in here. Batteries, dirt, debris. The machine's been hit, of course, several times. Dirty and jammy. I mean, would you want to run your car through a car wash like this? The dryers. I mean, just amazing. Amazing. So, yeah, and then we go over to the other vacuums. Those two don't even work. They're labeled. They got signs on the front. Does not work. Missing a fork. This is not. I mean, these machines look like they've been here for 20 years. I got an 8-year-old wash and my machines look brand new. And once again, there is no customer service number, no help number, nothing. So we're gonna go in this bay. I'm going in the opposite way. Got a pull-through dry system, which looks pretty good, and this is of course a laser wash. But look at inside the bay. I mean, I'm surprised people even still come here. There was one car leaving the first bay when I showed up. I was just killing some time. I was like, hey, let me go see empty buckle bag here. I was like, let's go see what other car washes in the city looks like. And I'll tell you what, I feel pretty confident about my car wash. This machine does not work. Yep, I would guess it. This change machine has seen better days with the lights not on. The vending machine is pretty much barren. There's a couple of screwed up things there. And then, of course, this machine, you never want to see that at a car wash. I'm no expert, but I would say this is definitely not how you want your car wash to look on a daily basis. This is kind of pretty sad.